Well, this project is hopefully the first of many solar projects for the city of Ferndale. I think that there are more and more rooftops every day, and I hope to see that most of those rooftops are filled with solar panels in the future. This is a huge opportunity for our community.
The Green Power Solar Grant Program has been really effective over the last several years. We've seen partnerships with roughly 50 different community organizations and an investment of nearly $3 million. And really what that allows us to do is to partner with really important community organizations to find an opportunity to promote rooftop solar investments. And through that process, we allow them to free up some of their operating revenue to focus on furthering their mission and their vision and lowering their operating costs. So it's really an opportunity to decarbonize the grid and to help community organizations in the process get more efficient in their operation.
Whatcom Center for Early Learning's mission and vision are around providing children with disabilities and developmental delays instrumental support so that they can live to their fullest potential. The solar grant that we've received from Puget Sound Energy allows us to save funds so that we can better support those children. And it also allows the children that we work with to have a great environment for the future. So it allows them to have cleaner water, allows all of us to have cleaner water and cleaner air so that they have a habitable environment in the future.
The solar grant really allows us to focus on what's most important here, which is addressing hunger in the communities that are hungry. We just see such a diversity of reason for folks to come here that devoting as much of our time to addressing those concerns and really fulfilling our mission, it is like the highest priority that we have as an organization. And so the less that we need to worry about how we're gonna pay for our electricity bill and things like that is it just takes a little bit less of the weight off of what we're holding right now.